Yeah, hello everyone. Myself, Chukwukabilago. Welcome to this video. The purpose of this video is to share with you guys the result we've gotten from the voting process that we did, or the poll that we organized to find out what members really want. Okay, and also share with you guys the challenges that we merchants face when we accept TBC as a means of payment. Okay, so if you have not watched the video, go to my previous videos or Google challenges that merchants face when they accept TBC. You'll see the video and you'll watch it to understand the process that we go to make sure that we ship the item to you, and at the same time the process that we go to make sure that we restock the item, and how we go about converting the TBC that we receive from you to cash to be able to meet up all these demands. Okay, and at the end of the video I asked you guys to participate in the voting process, which most of you guys did. Also, those who have the Billion Coin app and the Billion Coin Math app, we are also part of the voting process, and I'm going to share the result with you guys so that you guys will understand what my next video is going to be about. Okay, so what I have here is the result. Okay, let me put this here. Okay, so what I have here is the result of the voting process. Now, the first one was organized through my YouTube account, the community page of my YouTube channel, and I asked you guys, would you pay 100% TBC for a product and pay the shipping or delivery fee in fiat currency? And 86% of those who voted, out of 21 people who voted, 86% chose, agreed with paying 100% TBC for a product and paying the fiat currency in and paying the fiat currency and paying the shipping. And paying the shipping cost in fiat currency. Okay. Now, also went ahead to do a comparison, or to do a poll for you guys to choose between 50-50, which comes with free shipping, and 100% TBC, which comes with you paying shipping cost. Okay. Now, after doing that, we had about 151 voters. Okay, and out of them, 23% chose to go with 50% TBC, 50% cash, while the rest, which is 76.9%, went with accepting 100% TBC and paying shipping costs in cash or BTC. Okay, that's the result of the poll we run. Would have decided to go faster. This poll, okay, was done within a 2-day period. Okay, we would have decided to go ahead and allow more time for people to vote, but when you have this landslide voting, it goes to show you what people actually want. Okay, and what we want to do now is to make sure, okay, that we provide services on the Billion Coin Math based on what you the TBCian wants. Okay, but it also has to be in line with what the merchant want or can offer. Okay, it has to be in line with what the merchant can offer, because I see people asking for things like TV, refrigerator, and stuff like that. It's not bad for them to ask about those things, but it doesn't make sense you buying something of a huge amount of money and you expected to pay 100% TBC to the merchant, and at the same time you only pay shipping. Okay, you only pay the shipping cost. Okay, so all these are the things I'm going to address in the upcoming video. Okay, the video is going to premiere very soon, so you guys have to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button for you to get the notification whenever I release the video. All right, because in that video I'm going to focus on how we are going to do how we are going to deliver on the 100% TBC with paying shipping in fiat currency. Also, we're not leaving out those who want 50% cash, 50% TBC, but they fall under a different category. Okay, and also there are different categories of product that my company can offer. All right, ranging from fashion accessories to consumer electronics. These are my key areas. Now, for those of you asking for phones and asking for laptops, asking for tablets, okay, I ran another poll, sorry, not polling, okay. I ran another poll, and the results showed that majority of people want to purchase used items like this, okay, like used laptop, used phone, or used tablet for 50% cash, 50% TBC. Okay, so the link is going to be in the description below. So if you have not participated in that voting process, participate in it, because the way we are going to position the Billion Coin Mat in anticipation of 2019 is such that it takes care of every TBCian's need within our own power, okay, within my own power, okay. I don't know about any other person who has an intention to open an online store for TBCians, but within my own power. And also, given the fact that we are the only store so far that is focused on every TBCian, whether you are in Nigeria, whether you are in India, Australia, we are focused across the globe, because TBC is not just a Nigerian, it's not for Nigerians alone, it's for every single person across the globe. And that is why we are doing all this. We are getting these feedbacks from you, we are having disagreement with you, because what we want is, we don't want a situation whereby we start something and it will be that we didn't seek your own opinion on it, okay? Because at the bottom line, I'm not the one that's going to patronize my own store. You guys are going to be the ones to patronize my store. But it has to be, we have to be in the center, okay? We have to meet each other in the middle, okay? Because we know you want 100% TBC on anything, even iPhone X, okay? We know as merchants that we cannot offer such at 100% TBC, okay? And at the same time, even if we're going to offer it to you guys at 50% TBC, 50% cash, we ought to at least break even for just selling that product to you guys, okay? So that's most of you see me doing all these videos, because hey, 2018 is gone, okay? Anything we're doing right now is to position TBC for 2019. There's the cruise coming up in 2019. At the same time, a lot of people who are new in TBC want to know two things. How can I spend this coin? Okay, they want to know two things. How can I spend this coin, and how can I withdraw this coin? Okay, or how can I sell? All right, and the one within our control, or within my own control, okay, that I can offer to the community is offering you guys the opportunity to shop with your own item on the Billion Coin Mat. And that's what I can do, and that's why you see me, going extra mile, tweaking the store each time to make sure that it serves the need and the purpose of what I want it to serve, okay? And at the same time, that you, the members, get what you want. That's why I'm happy that people are actually patronizing the digital library, buying books, because we try to make sure that we bring in, great books, books on Forex, books on Google AdSense, books that you can read and you learn how to create, income for yourself, passive income or extra income for yourself, books that will give you skills, books on health. All right. Also, my own books are also there that will help you build your network marketing business, and also on how to make money with ebooks, even if you don't have a writing skill. Okay, so all these are what we are trying to do to provide more value to you guys, so that your concrete belief in TBC is strong. Okay, so that it does not go, so it goes beyond you, having the coin and you're looking at the coin and you're wondering what can I do with the coin. Okay, so that when you ask a question or ask anybody or even ask Google, they will direct you to the Billion Coin Mat, where you can shop with your TBC. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. In the link below, there's going to be a description, and there's going to be a poll link. Okay, go there and vote, and let us hear, let your voice be heard. What you want, whether you're going to shop for certain items, used items like used laptop, used tablet, like the one I have here. Okay, this is an Angel tablet. Okay, it's a used tablet. Okay, still in good condition, though has a little issue with the sensor. But the question is, would you buy such for 50% cash, 50% TBC? That's the question. So go to the link in the description and vote. All right. So guys, till I see you next time. Take care. And bye for now. Shalom.